I'm Mia. Today we will be making Easy Peasy. Peas are little gems that are tasty and green. Cooking them up is an easy routine, but making them perfect takes a bit of practice. So, here's a rhyme to help you get better at this. First, take some peas from a pod, nice and prepped. Rinse them in cold water, it's a simple first step. Then in a pot, boil water with some salt sprinkled. Add the peas and let them cook, don't get them wrinkled. When the peas turn bright green, it's time to drain. Pour them into a colander and let them strain. Next, return them to the pot, add some butter and wait. Coat the peas with butter, now that sure smells great. You can season them with salt or pepper or herbs. And don't forget to taste, to make sure they're just superb. When everything's ready, serve them hot or cold. Peas cooked with love is a dish that never gets old. Thanks for watching.